Hello everyone, welcome back. iOS 15.8.1 is out now. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to save the battery draining issue in iOS 15.8.1 in older iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings, scroll, find and tap on battery. Here we have to see or check battery health. If the battery health shows service, mean you need to replace your iPhone battery. And if the battery health is good and it not showing the service, then do the following steps. Number 1, settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. Now go back to settings. Here we are going to tap on privacy and tap on location services. Now tap on location alert and turn off show map in location alert. Then go back to location services. Now turn off the location services and go back to privacy, tap on tracking and turn off allow app to request to track. After that we are going to back to settings and disconnect the Bluetooth if it's not in use, and also cellular or Wi-Fi data if you are not using, then turn off them to save the iPhone battery in your iPhone. After that we are going to tap on notification and check the list which app you will get a lot of notification like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Then tap on that app and turn off the notification that you get a lot of notification, because every notification will glow your screen and suck the battery. The next thing that we are going to do, tap on journal, tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then tap on background app refresh, tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. In the end, do one more thing, settings, journal, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. These are the simple and easy steps to save the iPhone battery in iOS 15.8.1. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.